You're about to discover something that will change the way you think about factory security forever. ACTi's latest Q550 camera is here to redefine what it means to be secure. Get ready to see how you can achieve maximum safety with minimum cost. This is the innovation you've been waiting for. Factory security starts with full coverage. ACTi's Q550 features an 8MP multi-imager camera offering a 180-degree panoramic view. From your main gate to warehouse entrances and parking lots, nothing is left unseen. This single device reduces the need for multiple cameras, saving both time and money while delivering unmatched visibility and operational ease. Nighttime should never compromise your factory security. The Q550 provides full-color imaging 24/7 with white light LED support, seamlessly switching to infrared when needed. Plus, its 130 dB extreme WDR ensures every detail, like license plates and faces, is visible even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether it's nighttime patrols or safeguarding your raw materials, this camera keeps you in control. AI makes security smarter. With built-in intelligence, the Q550 can detect people, vehicles, and even specific behaviors like unauthorized area entry or line crossing. It significantly reduces false alarms caused by leaves or lights, keeping your focus on real threats. Use people counting and crowd density analytics to optimize safety and operational flow throughout your factory. Don't just monitor threats, stop them in their tracks. The Q550 features active deterrence with white light LED, flashing red and blue lights, and a 3W built-in speaker. When an intrusion is detected, these alarms activate instantly, providing a powerful visual and audible warning. It's not just about recording incidents, but preventing them from happening in the first place. Rugged environments demand rugged solutions. The Q550 offers flexible digital input-output and audio support, making it ideal for seamless integration with existing systems. With IP67 weatherproofing and IK10 vandal resistance, it's built to endure rain, dust, and physical tampering while maintaining flawless performance. From perimeter monitoring to access control, it's the perfect addition to your security setup. Why choose ACTi? Because it outperforms competitors like Axis at a fraction of the cost. For 50% less, you get a camera that delivers more features, better AI, and active deterrence. This isn't just a camera, it's a solution designed to elevate factory security while optimizing your budget. Choose ACTi and choose smarter security. Don't wait until it's too late. Visit ACTi's website now to explore the Q550 and learn how it can revolutionize your factory security. Click the link below and take the first step towards smarter, safer operations today.